Hello and welcome back to PSDESIRE. My name is Ishwar. Today in this video, I will share some easy tips to help reduce shadows on faces in Photoshop. For this tutorial, we will be working with a portrait photo that has some unwanted shadows on the left side of the subject's face. Let's work on reducing the shadows and give the photo a more pleasing look. To begin, duplicate the layer by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Duplicate Layer. Next, change the blending mode to Screen. You will immediately notice a difference in the image. The shadows on the subject face should be less prominent, while the highlight should appear more brighter. We can further refine the effect by adjusting the blending options. To do this, we need to double-click on the duplicated layer in the Layers panel. When we double-click on the layer, it opens the Layer Style dialog box. In this box, we want to focus on Blend If options, which allows us to blend the current layer with the underlying layer based on the brightness values of each pixel. Now drag the white slider towards the left. As you do this, you will notice the image become lighter and the shadows on the subject face begin to disappear. It's important to note that you want to hold down the Alt or Option key like this. Drag the slider to split it and create a smoother transition. This will prevent any harsh edges from appearing in the image. Once you are satisfied with the results, click OK to apply the changes and close the Layer Style dialog box. Now add a layer mask to the layer. Layer mask allows us to selectively hide or reveal specific parts of a layer, giving us more control over the final image. Now choose a soft edge brush and select the black color. Use the brush to paint over any areas where you don't want the effect to be visible. For example, to remove the effect from the eyebrows, then we can paint over the eyebrows on the layer mask to reveal the original layer beneath it. Similarly, we can avoid applying the effect on the whites of the eyes by painting over them on the layer mask with black color. This will reveal the original layer beneath the duplicated layer and maintain the natural appearance of the eyes. By selectively painting over areas on the layer mask, we can refine our edits and create a more natural looking effects in our photos. And that's it. Take a look at the before and after comparison to see the difference. I hope you find this simple, easy Photoshop tip useful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribe, like, share and comment, and also hit the bell icon for future notifications from PSDESIRE channel. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care and happy editing.